Hi.
Hi, I'm Malika. I'm the marketing manager at Mauron Musy. I'm going to tell you a bit about the brand. So Mauron Musy was created in 2013. It all started when Christophe Musy decided to make some watches for his family for Christmas. And he approached Eric Mauron, who had a high precision mechanical workshop, and he knew he had the machines and the equipment to actually produce a watch case. When they started working on the concept, they realized that a timepiece to be water resistant needs rubber gaskets. And a timepiece is made to last generations. It has an automatic movement that kind of works by itself. But you have to send your watch back for service every 3 to 5 years. And as engineers, they thought this just didn't make sense. There must be a better solution to this. So they started working on a new system that would allow the case to be water resistant, but without the use of gaskets. So I'm going to show you how that works. So you have a ring inside, which is made of titanium, and this surface here has to be extremely flat. It's very precise. It is to 150 nanometers of precision. So on top of it, we have a sapphire glass, and it's the same principle. The surface is really worked to be extremely flat. When you put the two pieces on top of each other and you add pressure, it's sealed, it's watertight. To create the pressure, we developed a spring, a circular spring that comes on top, and a bezel. It comes like this, and when you push, you can feel and actually hear that there is pressure. Now, on the other side, you do the exact same thing. So you have a second sapphire glass, a second spring, and then to keep everything under pressure and to keep it in place, we created a case that is made of 4 different segments, and they clip on the sides. They act as clasps.
Nice. So this is a unique technology to your brand?
Yes, it's patented, and it's water resistant to 300 meters. And here you have a case that is watertight and it has no rubber gasket.
And this means you don't need to do maintenance so often on the watch?
Yeah, exactly. That's the idea. Yeah, no service on the case.
And you can show some of the products people can find on the market?
Absolutely. So you have here, that's our Armure. It's a 44 millimeter watch. The case is in titanium. You can also see, I'm going to move the hand so you can see a bit better. There is the mention of Swiss crafted here, because we make watches that are 100% Swiss made. So we created the label Swiss crafted. Have a very nice little touch here with the small seconds. It actually comes underneath the index at 9 o'clock. But we'd have to wait a little bit.
What else can you say about the dial or the movement?
The movement is developed in collaboration with Joux-Perret. It has a 55 hours power reserve.
So what's the target market, for example, for this one?
Well, I would say more like male, because it's a bigger watch. Of course, it's quite rugged. Usually it's people who like very niche products. They like to be a bit different. They already know watches quite well, and they understand the technical aspect of the watch, so they have technical minds as well. Then we have also a second model. It's a smaller case with an aubergine dial. It's a Bouchardé center. Kind of had fun on this one and made a bicolor case. It's also in titanium. The black parts are PVD. And here we have a manufacture movement with a micro-rotor. It's a very architectural design. We have the bridges on 3 different levels. Lots of space, lots of depth.
And where do you make those?
We make them in Saint-Aubin in the canton of Fribourg. So you have the Châtel Lake, all the brands are on one side, and to come and see us, you have to cross the lake, and we're the only ones.
Nice.
And then we also have a skeleton collection, a bit more exclusive. These are all limited editions. Here we really have a dial that is inspired by the engineering world. So you see the first layer is actually, you have the white lines that are inspired by the blueprint, the technical drawings that engineers use. And the dial itself is made of five different layers. You also have the movement developed with the Joux-Perret.
Nice.
Thank you.
So where is it possible to buy your brand?
So in Switzerland, mostly directly at the manufacturer. We actually moved back in our freshly renovated manufacturer. We now have the space to welcome visitors, and that's what we like to do.
Like a showroom?
Like well, more than a showroom. We really have visitors go through every step of the process. They go see the watchmakers. They actually go also see the machining part, so they can see how the cases are made, what it takes to make a case like this, because it's a lot of work. Yeah, so we like to be authentic, and we don't have secrets. We show everything. So we love to welcome visitors now. Yeah.
How old is the brand?
It started in 2013. The first watch that was commercialized was in 2016. So it took 3 years to develop that water-resistant system. And yeah.
Those 9 years ago shipped watches have not needed to do the maintenance?
No, I mean, of course, you might have 1 or 2 that need a little thing, but no, it's the idea is really to not have after-sales service on the case. So yeah.
How about salt water or something? Is the materials just perfect for any kind of?
It's titanium. You have no rubber, so yeah, no, it's fine. You can go in the water. You can go in the sea. It's all good.
All right. Okay. So what's the future potentially going to show for your brand?
So now we are present in Japan. We also have stores in the Middle East. We are also going to Mexico, so that's very exciting. We have very nice developments in mind. I can't really tell you much about it yet, but come back at Watches and Wonders next year and you'll see.
So now it's become the best time to buy an electric car, the best time to buy a Tesla. This is a 2013 Model S with free supercharging. It's just 12,000, maybe 13,000, depends exactly on the configuration. That's including free shipping to anywhere in Europe.